This week's Hotter Road mixtapes are In My Life by DjKenny, Dating by DjKenny, Dangerous Youth by DjKenny, Vibes Cartel Volume 2 by Don Kingston, 90s Vocal Mix by Don Kingston. This week's new releases are Broken Silence by Liu Morris, Renegade Bounce, Sweet Tooth by Shano, Sean Storm and Ding Dong, The Return, Swaz, Turn Back Way, Ward 21, Ride With Me, Cutty Ranks and M. Dot, No Other Like We, Bounty Killer, In My Bed, DeMarco and Pablo YG, Count We Out, Mr. Lex, Rudest Song, Zaga and Bulby Art, Lone Satisfaction, Nadine Sutherland, 9 out of 10. This week's primetime showcase are Warmonger by The Lamb's Bread,
Lamb's bread we sing again. Samuel said give it to them. Yo, check this out. Boom! This one I hit them like lightning, come like an earthquake. Sometimes the truth is frightening, but let me tell you this is my thing. Can't give you no fuckery illusion, no candy coated pipe dream. Can't hold me down, it not go work. Who judge a play?
Money and Business, Beanie Man,
Zaga zaga sound, na 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 na. Oh Lord, 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 Lord. Dance. Move. Dance. Move. Zaga, from a little and I grow, yeah. Missing the roads to riches. And every get a youth where your dream feel live big. Me want you to see this from a perspective. I look at me usage, chase down me wanna chase and I make money. I mind the business. Making money, I mind the business. Making money, I mind the business.
That was this week's episode of Entertainment Up to Date. I'm your girl Purple, and you can follow me on Instagram at premium_purple. See you next time.